Namaste, y'all. Grand Rising. Look at my babies. Look at them. You know, I haven't even put any new seed out. They're just hovering around with what's left of that seeds from the party ball thing. And there's just, I'm washing the dishes, and I'm gonna go bring fresh water and fresh seed. But you know, birds just, whatever you put out, they're happy. If the water's not clean yet, they don't care. They're just happy to have a place that's safe and they're loved. And I can't tell you how wonderful it is to have this movement in the background when you're in the kitchen and you're doing something mundane like doing the dishes, which you don't care about, and recycling things that you do care about, but it's a pain in the ass to do. Rinsing out. But look at these babies. Look at these toes. Go out a little farther. Whenever they fly away, they don't fly away for long. They always come right back.